Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like a doctor's diagnosis sounds like ancient Chinese poetry? Terms like wind heat invades the lung sounds like something out of a fantasy novel, right? But what if I told you there's a secret code, a DIKWP model, that can crack this code wide open? Let's dive in. So, what's this DIKWP magic? Think of it as layers of understanding. First, you have data, the raw stuff, like your fever or cough. Then, information, connecting the dots, maybe it's wind heat attacking the lung. Next, knowledge, the why, like the lung's function is messed up. Wisdom is the action plan, clear the heat, calm the cough. And finally, purpose, why we're doing all this, to make it crystal clear for you. It's like peeling an onion, but way less tear-jerking. Let's take 风热犯肺, literally wind heat invades the lung. Sounds intense, right? Using our DIKWP lens, the data? You're burning up, throat hurts, coughing out yellow gunk. Information? An external wind heat thingy is messing with your lungs. Knowledge? That wind heat is throwing the lungs' normal job off balance. Wisdom? Time to cool things down with herbs. And the purpose? To make sure you get why this happens. See? Not so scary now. Now, how do we turn fancy terms into everyday chat? We use some white language magic. First, keep the core idea, but swap the words. Instead of 风热犯肺, say something like wind heat is running wild in your lungs. Simple, right? Second, chop up those long, dense sentences. 肺热壅盛, break it into. Lungs are hot, blocked, and can't cool down. Third, use stuff you already know. Imagine your lungs are like a room, and suddenly it's super hot and stuffy because the air vent is jammed. That's kinda what Onshin feels like. Okay, let's talk student-friendly talk. Think of it like chatting with a friend. Keep the tone warm, not robotic. Use simple logic, like cause and effect. Did you catch that? Because the wind heat came in, your lungs got hot. Always do a quick check. Is the meaning the same? Can a kid understand it? Did I miss anything important? For example, instead of just saying wind heat, you could say, you know how sometimes you feel like you caught a chill, but it's more like a hot, windy bug? That's kind of what wind heat is like for TCM. Imagine an AI tutor, let's call it Dr. Chatbot, stepping in. Student, what's this lung heat congestion thing? AI, okay. Lung heat congestion basically means your lungs are packed with heat and can't get rid of it. Student, packed with heat? Like a sauna? AI, exactly. Like a sauna in your lungs. Now, why does that happen? Student, maybe because I was sick before? AI, bingo, you're on the right track. This AI doesn't just dump info. It asks questions, checks if you're getting it, and makes sure you feel like you've unlocked a secret. Pretty cool, huh? So, why does this whole DIKWP plus white language approach actually work? Because it breaks down the scary complexity step by step, making it digestible. It uses relatable language and examples, turning abstract ideas into something you can almost touch. The result? Students stop fearing TCM terms and start finding them interesting. And hey, this isn't just for TCM. Imagine AI tutors explaining anything from quantum physics to tax laws in plain English. The future is bright.